Now gently bring your attention back to the touch of your body on your seat.
Wait a no, Cooper.